Is the future calling from its caves to save the world from the ashes of old? Who knows what stories will be told?